Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2013 Porsche Cayenne. So from any screen, if you just want to see what's ahead of you, you can just click on the map there, make sure there's no bends coming up to surprise you. If you want to know where you're going, if you're not just out for a Sunday drive and you've actually got a purpose and a destination in mind, click Navi. And there you've got enter address, previous destinations, stored destinations, points of interest and start route guidance. So we want enter address, county, town or postcode. Postcode's the easiest method. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley, Preston. P, where's R? Now we need to go to numbers. So you've got ABC there and 1, 2, 3 there. We click on 1, 2, 3. PR5, 4, and then we need to go back to letters J, S. Then you've got PR54JS, which you've already typed in. Click on it. Preston. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Porsche Cayenne 2013. So you've got telephone handset there and phone there. Click on the phone. Phone and options. Options. Bluetooth settings. New device, device list. Device list. Barry's iPhone. Click on that, and then you've got the option to rename or delete. I want to delete it. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. So again, click on the phone, rename or delete, delete, yes. That's it. That's how you delete a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system or the Porsche Communications Management System in this 2013 Porsche Cayenne. First thing we do, make sure Bluetooth is on. Now it may already be looking, so we're watching out other devices here. In the meantime, we go to phone, and you've got find telephone there. It's showing up. PCM, it's already showing up, but I'll click find there and let's just see what happens. It would have initiated the process by just clicking on PCM here. So there we go, Barry's iPhone. Click on Barry's iPhone. And there you go, Bluetooth pairing request, pair, allow, please confirm Bluetooth code. Well, we've done that already. And that's it. There you go, it's connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Porsche Communications Manager from your iPhone. The first thing we do is go to iTunes. You'll see at the bottom PCM there, red triangle, 3 red circles. If I click on there, there's a tick next to PCM. That means whatever audio is playing on your iPhone, it will come through the audio system in the Porsche if you've got the correct buttons pressed. So we'll go back to that. You'll see there, if I click, it's playing. We go over here and we need to go to source. Well, first of all, if you go to media, it's on auxiliary. So that means anything that's plugged into that socket there will be playing through this at the moment. So what we have to do, we go to source, and then that gives you all the different options. Sorry, it's timed out, I'll just click it again. And we have to click auxiliary. Now, if I turn this up, and then I turn this up, as you can hear, the speakers are fantastic in this thing. I'll just try and show you a couple of other things really, because it can be complicated. It may not work at first. It didn't with me. Now it is possible when you go to your iTunes, the PCM doesn't show up. So it's not showing up there, the PCM. So what we have to do is go to options, set media auxiliary, and you see there, make sure there's a tick in auxiliary Bluetooth. just normal auxiliary, and then we have to go to Bluetooth settings, list of MP3 players, list, and now it's showing my phone. So we click my phone and we have to click connect, and there you go, it shows up. It can be awkward, it really can, but once you know how to do it, that's it. So from source, auxiliary Bluetooth, and that's it playing.